Okay, so this is a different video than I typically make, but I just felt that I had to actually go through and tell you guys this information because there's a pretty good sale happening right now. So Creality has their ninth anniversary sale happening, and is a little bit last week, and it's going to go through April 15th. And typically when these manufacturers have 3D printers on sale, we're talking, 3 or 5%, but that's not the case here. Pretty much every printer that's on sale is at least 10%, and some of them actually go up to 25 or 30% sale. And there is a very, very high chance that anyone that purchases something from this sale can win a prize. Probably will win a prize. Basically, guys, I am not putting any links in the description. I don't want anyone to think that I'm trying to make a quick buck off someone from an affiliate link. So you're going to have to navigate to the website yourself. I just want you to, I just want to instill some trust in with my viewers right now. So the store.creality.com is where you're going to want to navigate to. And then at the top, you're going to see an anniversary sale and then a ninth anniversary sale. So I'm just going to quickly kind of walk you through the page here. But otherwise, I mean, it's as simple as you just navigating to the page and scrolling through yourself. But anyway, so you're going to see some things like flash pick of the day and then some other, things that they want to highlight. But this isn't really where it shines. I'll get into that in a minute. So if you continue to scroll down, you're going to find all of their printers that are on sale. Now, like I said, everything on sale is at least 10%, right? The Ender 3 S1 Pro is $429, and that also comes with a laser module. Now, I have not personally used the laser module, but I have used the S1 Pro. I have one myself, and it's a very good machine. I think typically it's $479, and that doesn't even include the laser module. So in this case, you're saving $50 plus getting a module that you can play around with if you want, or you can sell it and get some extra money back. You've got things like the Ender 5 S1 that came out. Apparently, it was a big hit. They advertised 250 millimeters per second. I don't quite think it hits that, right? We've seen a whole bunch of advertising from manufacturers these days about fast speeds that don't actually hold up to their weight. But I have heard good things about the Ender 5 S1, and that's on a pretty good sale right now. 15% kind of amounts to a lot of money, at least in US. In US dollars, we're looking at $75 or $80 off, which is pretty good. Then you've got things like the Ender 3 V2 Neo. This is the upgraded version of the Ender 3 V2. I have two Ender 3 V2s in my farm, and I love them. I've put thousands of hours on them. Crealities aren't what they used to be. They used to potentially not be terribly reliable, but there are some of the newer models have come out that are very, very reliable. And Creality has been doing a very good job in kind of shifting their aim from just quick and dirty, get it done, get the sale, to actually producing a quality product. And I've noticed that. I think some other people have noticed that as well. And so it's kind of good on them for doing that. But anyway, like I said, just come to the website, scroll through, and find out some of the deals they've got going on. So if you continue to scroll down, you'll find some other deals here, maybe even up to 50% off for just basic small accessories. Right, this is a great time to buy Capricorn tubing. I actually just bought some on Amazon a couple days ago, and I spent like $13. And I'm a little bit upset about that because it's on sale right now for $6. I actually probably am going to buy some of this. Now, this is only 1 meter or 2 meters, but I guess the 1 meter one's the one on sale. But anyway, point is, it is a good deal. And if you buy multiple of these accessories, they're going to give you higher percentage discounts. You'll have to add this to your cart in order to see how it works. Yeah, like I said, just add items to your cart. You're going to get more money off. It's actually good. Right now, add 3 of these to your cart. You're going to save a lot of money. Then they've got some resin printers on this list as well. And this is 65% off. Right? This comes with resin as well. I mean, I have not used the Hallet machines, so I don't know how good they are, but for $202, you're not getting in the game any cheaper with a better printer. We'll say that for short, right? My resin printer is $175 or whatever, and it's not a great machine. It's not a Creality machine. I can't quite remember what it is even. It's just one of the entry-level machines, right? I mean, $99 if you wanted to get into resin printing but didn't want to like jump over that hurdle of spending money on it. 99 bucks, right? That's depending, it's a Valentine's dinner right there, right? Just spend money now on this. Anyway, scroll down some more. You'll see their filaments and some other accessories. The filaments I want to touch on. So back in the day, Creality filaments, they weren't that great. I've used this HP PLA before, and I don't think it's going to really show up on camera. This stuff sucks. Just plain sucks. You can still buy it, and I still would not buy it. I would never buy it. I've had probably 3 or 4 of these rolls. I've never bought one. I've just acquired them from friends or whatever. This stuff is awful, and I've said it a few times, but don't buy this stuff. That being said, Creality has reworked some of their PLA blends, and they're actually pretty good now. So this is Creality's CR PLA. This is CR PLA matte in navy blue. The color's beautiful, and I have printed probably 300 grams of this stuff, and it's good. It's very good. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because this is one of the PLAs that is on sale right now, and I'm sure all of their other CR PLAs are a very similar blend. So I'm sure all of their other CR PLAs or other, PETG, it's good. And this stuff is kind of expensive normally because it normally will run you 26 bucks. I feel like 26 bucks is kind of the upper echelon for what I would ever pay for a kilogram of a single color. That's something not color changing. But if you're a heavy hitter, you can save some money on this because if you buy 5, you get 1 free. If you buy 10, you get 3 free. So if you buy 10, you're going to pay 250 bucks for this. But after the 3 that you get for free, it's going to boil down to about $19 a kilogram. So this stuff is absolutely, without a doubt, worth $19 per kilogram. And then if you come over to this accessories tab, you're going to find some of the other items they have for sale. And again, you'll get more discounts the more you buy. So if you're looking at getting into any of this stuff, or if you've ever been considering buying it, now might be a good time to do that. I mean, you can get a CR Touch for 40 bucks. It's a pretty good sale. I think it's typically 50. And I run the CR Touches on my machines. The CR Touches are much better than the 3D Touches or whatever. CR Touch is not loud. 3D Touch is incredibly loud. So, like I said, some of these are just things that maybe you weren't looking at getting, but now is a good time to do it. And before we go to the last bit of information, Creality actually did provide me with this PDF. I didn't want to go through it and kind of bore you guys, but there is good information in there. And to kind of bounce back over here, I did briefly mention the flash pick of the day. So what I want you guys to do is kind of, if you're looking at getting any new printers or accessories, it would be wise of you to navigate to this page every day just to see what the prices are, because from day to day, things will be different. And I can kind of give you a sneak peek of that right here with the flash pick of the days. So they told me that the Ender 5 S1 flash pick of the day for the US and EU is April 9th. And for Canada and Australia, it's April 16th. Now, this is going to be down to $475, and you will get free PLA with that. I don't know if it's 1 roll or 2, but you will also get free PLA with that. So there's a few other flash pick of the days. This one is a big, heavy hitter. If you're in the US and EU, I apologize. Today's the last day for it. But it's down to $383. That is big, right? $383 for this printer is a monster deal, and I would absolutely, without a doubt, recommend you buy this machine if you are looking at getting a new printer. If you live in Canada or Australia, you can pick it up on the 11th or the 12th of April. Then we have this flash pick of the day. This is the Ender 3 Neo. I haven't used a base Ender 3 ever, but it is a pretty good sale. It's cheaper than it typically is, right? This is a pretty good percentage off, seeing as it's only a $220 machine. So that's April 8th and 9th for US, and then 15th and 16th for Canada and Australia. And then lastly, we've got the Ender 3 V2 Neo. This is the upgraded version of the Ender 3 V2. I have 2 Ender 3 V2s. They are total troopers. I have put probably 3,000 hours on them. They are very, very good machines. I could only imagine the Neo is better. But April 6th and 7th is when you'll find these printers on sale in the US and the EU, and April 13th and 14th for Canada and Australia. Now, so like I said, I really don't want to bore you with all this other stuff. You guys know all this stuff already. The big important thing about all of this is in the fine print at the bottom. That is the anniversary lucky draw. So, this is something that you definitely want to participate in because there's a very, very high chance that you will win something for free. You won't have to pay shipping. You won't have to pay, it's just free. At least in the US. Depending on where you are, they might have you pay taxes. I have no idea about the EU and, other places. But, so if you purchase anything from this anniversary sale, and then you visit their live stream, which is going to take place on April 15th, they're going to put your name into a drawing, and you're going to have the opportunity to win a 3D printer. Based on the way the wording here is, they're giving away 50 3D printers. 50. Okay? Guys, I've been going to these lucky draws on their live streams for the last month and a half. They've been doing live streams a lot more regularly, and I've been attending them. And that's actually where I won this PLA. This is the EN PLA. I haven't had the opportunity to use it, but I won the PLA just literally by being in the live stream and putting my name in the drawing. I did nothing. I paid nothing. They just sent it to me. I've been in these live streams for like a month and a half. I don't think I have ever seen 50 people in the live stream. And you will not win if you are not there. So if you're not in the live stream, they skip your name and they go to the next person. So basically what I'm saying is, if you scroll up here and you buy, where is it? Let's see. You scroll up here and you buy a $6 Capricorn tubing, and then you scroll down here, find the date of the live stream, visit the live stream, you probably are going to win a 3D printer for $6. So do it and be there. I'm going to be doing it. You'll see me in the live stream. You'll see me in the chat. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for this video. I know it's a little different than normal, but if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And if this video has been helpful to you, if you didn't know that this sale was happening, or if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and a subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.